right, we're in the clearance again, and if you guys been watching us for a while, we showed you these plastic plates for a quarter at the other store, but they didn't have red. So today they actually have red. Remember they had every other color but red? So if you guys are looking for these plates, it comes with a set of 4. Here's the UPC, and these are for the red ones. Look at that, 25 cents. You guys can't beat that. Look at these. These are Cool Gear. Be good to our planet. That's kind of cute. These are only 50 cents, you guys. Look at this. And let me show the UPC. And if you guys spot any of these plates here, bowls, plastic, cups down here, all of these are going to be 50 cents, which is okay, but I still think these are a better price at a quarter, and they have all these. So I don't think I need any plates, so I'm going to leave those there. But just in case you guys need plates, these are 50 cents, and these are 25. And Manny, look at this down here. It's a serving tray. You gonna serve me?
Today's my birthday, actually.
Oh yeah, today's my husband's birthday, you guys. So I'm gonna buy this so I can serve him. What you want me to cook?
Nothing. Order out.
You're messed up. For real? You don't want none of my burnt food?
I'll take it. Yeah.
These are really cute, and this is the Mainstays serving tray. BPA free, made in the USA. There's the UPC, and the color is red engine. Look at that. They only had the red one, so I'm not sure about any other colors, but I know for sure it's the red ones. Again, that's the UPC, and you guys can see the price, 25 cents. We have 3 little kids at the house. We have 2 grown adults out the house, but we got 3 kids left in the house, and we don't like glass. So we're definitely going to get a bunch of these, and these would probably be great for a movie night. They could put their snacks on there. They could probably put their dinner plate on here and place it on their lap while they're watching TV. So this is great. So I'm going to show you that I got a few. I got a few at a quarter. And then I decided to go ahead and get some more of these red plates, even though I got a bunch of the blue, green. What other colors did we get? Blue, green, black. I can't remember. You guys have to look at the old video. But I decided to get a bunch of these. Again, it comes with a set of 4 for only a quarter. So I'm definitely getting these. And even if I have to store them, I'm going to store them. But you can never have enough of these 25-cent 4-pack plates if you have kids. And these serving trays, you guys have to run and get them. They're only a quarter. So I'm definitely getting all these. Good luck. All right, look what we found, you guys. We actually found this in clearance. And these are all lampshades. Look at this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the color, the UPC, and then I'm going to let you guys know how much these are. They're all the same price, so real easy. So this one is a cream one, and it says Mainstay Small Lampshade. So that's basically the name for all of them. All right, so this is the cream, the UPC for the cream, solid cream. This one is the navy and white, and it says lime blue. So this is the UPC for the lime blue. And again, these are small lampshades. Here's the UPC for the dash pink, the solid black. This is what it looks like. Here's the UPC. All right, this one is the textured, what does that say, brick? Yeah. I need to get my glasses. Here you guys go. Textured brick. There's the UPC, and that's a nice one. I like that one. And then you have the white, solid white. There's the UPC. And you guys, if you guys can look at this, these are only $1. They were $4, but they're now only $1. $1. Do we need lampshades?
Not this time.
Not this time. All right, but any clearance that we see, we want to kind of tell you guys in case this is something you guys are looking for. So again, all these different designs are only $1. And you heard it first on Angel on the Go. Let us know if you guys score. All right, if you guys are looking for ice tongs, is that the name? Tongs? Ice tongs? I'm gonna show you guys. That's what it looks like. And these look like they're stainless steel. And the color is copper. So it says brushed copper finish. Look at that right there. And I'm thinking about getting these. I mean, I don't think we need it. Do we?
I mean, we could be fancy sometimes.
You wanna be fancy?
Okay.
I think we could be fancy, you guys, at this price. You guys ready? All right, so again, that's what it looks like. And looks like you just pick up the ice pieces with this. Again, these are ice tongs, brushed copper finish. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the UPC so you guys could take a screenshot.
That's probably also for those who just have like a bucket of ice in the freezer. Like we got the machine, but everybody don't got the ice machine. So it's just a bunch of ice in the tray. So instead of grabbing with your hand,
Oh, you grab it with the tongs.
grab with the tongue.
Well, you know what? For this price, you guys, we're gonna be grabbing this with the tongs out of our ice machine. Boom. All right, so look at this, you guys. All right, you guys can see the normal price is $5.97. And it says here $3.90. I decided to scan it. My husband walked right past it, which is a no-no. Don't walk past it, you gotta scan.
Whatever.
All right, so everyone that walked past it see the price in clearance for $3.90. But we're gonna scan it. We're gonna scan it for you guys. You ready? You got it? All right. Look at this, you guys. 90 cents. Oh yeah, you do pick up ice. There you go, right there. I didn't think you knew what you were talking about. Yes, you guys. So these are only 90 cents. So look at this.
That's from $6 to 90 cents.
Yeah. Yeah. That's what. Yeah, that's over 80.
So, in your mind, I went through that whole thing about the ice, and in your mind, you were like, you don't know what he's talking about?
Well, you guys, you know what? Angel was wrong. He knows about tongs, picking up ice, and he knows about mason jars. So we have 3 here. We're not sure if we're gonna take these, but again, these are only, what are they, 90 cents? These are only 90 cents. So if you guys need some of these, run to Walmart. Here's the UPC one more time.
You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. You really are a heel. You're as cuddly as a cactus. You're as charming as an eel, Mr. Grinch. You're a bad banana with a greasy black peel.
I gotta get this, you guys. You gotta get this for me. You get it? All right. I don't know if I can wait until they hit 75 or 90. I'm gonna try, but this is so cute, you guys, and it's huge. So this is me standing next to it, and he's still taller than me. Look at that. Super cute. Let us know if you guys score one of these.